Hi everyone, this is Zuaib. In this clip, I want to give an overview of the process that you have to follow in order to develop your learning solutions, which can be for credit or non-credit. The first thing that you have to understand is that what are the learning outcomes? What are you trying to teach to the learners? Once you establish that, the second thing that you have to make sure that you understand is the student seat time. Do you expect students to take 10 hours to complete this if it's a non-credit, or is it self-paced where they can take as much time as they can, but they have to complete it in a certain amount of time? Or is it a 4 credit where they have to, if it's a 1 credit hour, it would be 45-hour student seat time. So you have to then understand the student seat time that you are expecting the students to spend. And once you do that, the next step is that you understand that if it's a 4 credit learning solution, then what are the accreditation standards that you have to follow? And if it's non-credit, then what are the institutional standards that you have to follow? Then after that, once you have identified these things, the next big thing is that what is going to be the instructional design model that will help you develop this learning solution. And there are different types. So if it's for an 8-week course or a semester course, then there are different modules that we've discussed. And then if it's a self-paced course or a boot camp, or it's a short course for 2 weeks, then there are different models that we've discussed as well. But you have to identify which instructional design model is best suited, because that will also help you identify the type of resources that you would need, like instructional designers, the media developers, the copy editors, the academic technologists, and so forth. So once you have all the resources identified and the model that you need to use, then you are all set to deliver your learning solutions. So to recap, once you have to identify that there are learning outcomes, then the next thing is that you have to understand that what's the student seat time. After that, you have to understand the standards for accreditation or the institutional standards. And once you do that, the next thing is to identify your instructional design model and the resources that you would need. And once that is done, then the last thing is that you would be able to then develop and deliver your learning solution. I hope you find this useful. Thank you.